Hey Globetrotters! Today, we're tackling a topic that's both exciting and sometimes a bit daunting: how to pack for an international flight like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure abroad, this video is your ultimate guide to stress-free packing. So grab your passport, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the art of packing for an international journey. Before we start tossing things into your suitcase, let's begin with the groundwork. Research your destination's weather, cultural norms, and any specific travel restrictions. This sets the stage for efficient and tailored packing. A well-informed packer is a happy traveler. Time to get organized. Create a checklist of essentials, from travel documents and clothing to toiletries and electronics. Having a roadmap ensures you won't forget anything crucial and keeps the packing process smooth. Check, check, and double check. When it comes to clothing, think versatility. Pack items that can mix and match to create various outfits. Consider the climate and activities you'll be engaging in. Pro tip: roll your clothes to save space and minimize wrinkles. A win-win. Don't put all your eggs in one suitcase. Pack essentials such as a change of clothes, medications, important documents, and valuables in your carry-on. This way, you're prepared for the unexpected, like lost luggage or a long layover. Toiletries, the tricky part. Remember, many airlines have restrictions on liquids. Invest in travel-sized containers and consider purchasing toiletries at your destination to save space and comply with regulations. It's all about strategic packing. Keep the tech gear light but essential. Chargers, adapters, and power banks are your travel BFFs. Download entertainment, books, or podcasts for the flight, and ensure your devices are fully charged before departure. Stay connected and entertained in transit. While you're exploring the world, comfort is key. Don't forget items like a travel pillow, cozy socks, and an eye mask for those long flights. Make your journey as comfortable as possible. You'll thank yourself later. Before you jet off, take a moment to secure your home. Lock all doors and windows, unplug electronics, and set up any necessary security measures. A peaceful trip starts with a worry-free home. As we conclude our packing adventure, remember that the key to stress-free travel is thoughtful preparation. Packing for an international flight is an art that gets easier with each journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button.